to build a custom pizza in Domino's Pizza. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Domino's website. Here, go to the menu. After you're in the menu page of Domino's, you can simply scroll down and at the bottom you'll find Build Your Own. Click on Order Now. After you click on Order Now and Build Your Own, it will ask you for your location. Simply type in your location. Select address and it will lead you to this page. Here you'll need to add to order everything what you want in your pizza. Like all the ingredients, it's not available in my region, but you can simply click on add, and finish order by pay. And this is how to build a custom pizza in Domino's Pizza. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.